Ever been so congested with life, whether it's a staff meeting, watching the kids, or simply just unavailable, and don't have the time to take your car to get serviced? Or you're driving around cold calling places for the services your vehicle may need. Tired of losing old service receipts? Wait, here's a good one. How about anxiously looking for reputable merchants that aren't trying to drain you for every penny? Trust me, we have all been there. But look no more. VecFlow makes the automotive maintenance process incredibly convenient and reliable, enabling drivers to schedule automotive maintenance sessions in minutes from both mobile and stationary merchants. Yep, we said it, mobile and stationary merchants. As a driver, you have the option of choosing your merchant by proximity, ratings, reviews, videos, photos, and services. Want to add an additional layer of verification? Sure, drivers can also view the merchants by their background check and automotive certifications. Mobile merchants will have the ability to come to wherever you, the driver, is and provide the recommended services on the spot. Yes, that's right. Whether you're at work, the grocery store, or just an afternoon in the house, merchants will come to you. Now, if you want to enjoy some nice weather and drive to a stationary merchant, you will have that option as well. Once your session has been completed, you'll receive a digital receipt of what service was performed on your car, as it will be stored on the VecFlow's platform. So at any time, you'll have the option of reviewing it later. So, yep, that's right. It's all a few clicks in a nutshell. Here at VecFlow, we want you to oversee your vehicle life. Whether you're getting an oil change, auto detail, or a simple car wash, we understand that time and trust is a top priority. If you have a vehicle, you'll never have to break a sweat keeping it in good standing, because here at VecFlow Automotive, maintenance is always at your fingertips. Visit our website on www.vecflow.com. You can also reach us on all our social handles at Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.